We are drifting live right now at the track.
Show me your phone.
The phone, we're doing it.
Yeah.
I can't believe we might actually pull this off.
Is this live?
This is live.
Live on the screen.
Like everybody in the world's watching it?
There's probably like 4 people watching, but yeah.
Holy
I'm gonna go drive around.
Yeah, just do a little test.
How we sounding? I'm so excited. Y'all gonna be driving along as passengers. We're live right now. Right now.
Hi, where can I watch it?
Thanks, man.
Sick. I'm stoked about that.
Go check out the live stream.
I gotta
go
see the live stream now. Oh man, that is awesome. Can I take a picture of this?
Do anything you want.
Like, is it okay if I put it on my Instagram story and just go like, this is sick?
I don't think anybody's on the track right now, so it's a good time.
Yeah, good time to test it. Thank you, Gas. Gaston's the best, you guys. He's like pro drifter and the person who got me into this. Hey, Gas.
Yeah, stop.
Can you come say hi to everybody?
I say hi to the live stream.
Hi, live stream. We're looking right in the camera.
Yeah, right there.
Hey, everybody. How's it going? We're out here at Tuna Bash having a great time. You guys got to check it out.
Thank
Yes.
you. You're the best.
I'm just a dude. Have fun.
We're doing it. We're doing it. This will be the first ever live stream, guys. Thank you so much.
It works.
freaking works.
I've got one on my helmet so it sees what I see.
Okay.
And then
got
one that sees us as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
So the first few laps, how'd it go?
It went great. It was a whole new track too that we did, and this all works except for the sound cuts out, which the sound is me calling Discord, and I don't know how to fix it. So for now, this is the setup. Have to line up according to what our stunt show is. Okay, so my goal for this is I come out, I follow Jack. Rap, rap, we're drifting together. The guys are skiing the truck, so they're on 2 wheels. We do a near miss with them. We go on the inside, I follow Jack. Then Jack and I do 180. Then we go into reverse. And then we wait for our next cue. We do a bunch of donuts. Just trying to remember all this. And then we get out of there. And then we line up. It's gonna be great. I gotta get my helmet up. This is working better than I had thought and hoped for. You want to grab that one on your right and then plug this into it. Here you go. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up so you can breathe. Didn't expect to have so many ride-alongs today.
Yeah, everyone's asking.
Yeah. Who am I with right now?
Like,
Mike?
yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You've been there for a while?
This is my first day.
Yeah.
Just so you know, I'm live streaming. Yeah. Did you know that I'm streaming right now?
No, that's all. No.
Okay, chat says hi, by the way.
Hi.
Hey guys, this is Raphael. Say hi.
Hello.
Just turned 15? Oh my goodness. And you're allowed to scream. I won't panic if you scream, okay? But if I start panicking, we're both screaming, that might be bad. Okay. Here we go. That's so fun. How was it? That good, hey? That was the coolest moment of my whole life. Oh my God. Did you have fun? That was the coolest moment of my whole life. How was it, Mike?
That's awesome.
My tires are getting really slick, so that I was like, I pushed it too hard on that one, so I kept donating.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Take care, chat. Have a wonderful day.
Oh, guys, I have to change my tires. Anybody who's just entered the chat, we're just changing my tires because they are bald as butts.
You're absolutely amazing.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you. I don't know if I have a lineup right now. I could take you after.
I don't know if I have the courage yet.
Okay, well, if you start feeling brave, come find me.
Okay.
Okay, guys, look. We did good. Now everyone's going to witness how I have to do this. Yeah, we're live.
Oh, live, guys.
Still.
Yeah.
Where's the speakers?
I have a phone on me.
One eternity later.
Oh my gosh, guys, that took way too long. The sun went down. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good. What was your name?
You call me Fish.
Vish? Okay. Nice to meet you, Vish.
Quite the ride-along cue.
Dude, I was not expecting this today. Like, I was like, what is happening? I haven't even eaten yet. Bus. What was your name again?
Adina.
Adina. Okay, do you mind that you're on the live stream? Okay. Just so you know, Adina has said that she's been wanting to go, but she needs to work out the courage to go. So this is her first time ever.
It's exciting. Want to do it?
And she's going with me. It's gonna be fun. How was it?
That was absolutely insane. Like, it's not what I expected, like a roller coaster, like me to fly out the window.
It's quite smooth, isn't it?
It is actually, wow. Thank you so much for this experience. I'm gonna get some courage to even just start somewhere and just the autocross. And I don't know where it'll take me, but thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. What a stream. Hope you guys had fun.
There was like so many people getting in line. It just ended up being a thing where everyone was like, can I come? It's so good. Everyone wanted to ride with you, though.
I know, I had a really long lineup. This was awesome. They said great stream. 4 hours and 40 minutes.
Holy crap, that's pretty good. That's a lot of footage to go through.
Yeah.
Make one final hit on the drag strip.
Thanks for dropping in. And thanks everybody who recorded it today. Appreciate you. I think everybody considered it a success. I can't believe we did it. The only thing is the audio cuts out while I'm drifting because it's like peaking too much. That was the only thing that everybody said wasn't working, but everything else was working. So maybe one day we'll invest in some audio stuff. But
Even for now, though, the phone going right into the computer. Like,
It worked so
watching
well.
it on the I couldn't believe that it seemed to match up like the sync.
yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
It was so much fun crashing into you today.
So good.
I miss you already. Drift track buds are the best. Bye. I accidentally, by the way, I took out my tire and I dropped it, and I think everybody in the stream saw it.
The golf bar on the car lane.
My bad. That's your guys' transmitter. My bad. My bad. It like rolled towards your antenna. It hit it. The thing almost fell over, and I was like, ah! We're good. We're good.
So good.
But it was fine.
That's
Everything.
so good.
Everything was fine. Everything was fine.
Everything was fine.
Can't take credit for all the like geniusness of the transmitters and all the cameras and stuff. That was him. That was you. He came up with it. I figured out how to do the Twitch stuff.
Team.
I entertained.
You made
You
the
were the
mic-
brains.
Dance monkey.
Here's some clips from the stream. We have fun. Bye.